Think for a moment about your favorite summertime tradition. You just have to include it in your plans. You can't imagine the season without it. For a lot of folks, that tradition is a visit to one, two, or all of the Jolly Roger Parks in Ocean City.
All the while, the parks are continuing to welcome new faces too. And this year, there's a sought-after Seagull drawing people in. DelmarvaLife's Katie Zerilli takes us to OC.
There's summer, sunny skies, whirling waves, sandy steps, and then there's a jolly summer. That one looks a little bit more like fast-paced rides, giant wheel views, and revved-up engines. Jolly Roger Amusement Parks at both the Pier and 30th Street in Ocean City are open for another season of family fun.
We're excited to showcase our Pier and 30th Street. We can't wait to show all of the guests what we have to offer here at Jolly Roger.
And what they've got to offer will appeal to all ages.
We have rides from the pirate ship that you might have seen us in the local parades, at the Berlin Parade, the Ocean City Parade. That's here for you to ride. We've got bumper cars, we have the Kraken, we have the carousel, the Looping Star, and of course our iconic giant wheel.
Countless rides, 2 locations, the Pier, 30th Street. Which one? The answer is both. All you need is one pass and you can double dip. You just have to choose if you want to go during the day or at night.
So in the daytime, you've got the sun, the sky, the waves crashing. The nighttime, we all light up. You can play the games at the Pier. It's just so much fun. There's something for everyone here of all ages.
New this year, Sunny the Seagull. This bird isn't stealing your food. This bird's stealing attention all over the internet.
So the Seagull is very popular. It has 7.6K Facebook followers. You can only win Sunny the Seagull at the Pier at Jolly Roger. And we're also going to be featuring that at 30th Street as well. Little birdie told me.
Naturally, I want in.
I think you can do it today. We're gonna get you out there, you're gonna throw those darts and win, Katie.
And so win 2.
All right.
Oh no!
3.
4.
Go, Katie! One more.
Did. And to say Sunny and I became instant best friends would be an understatement. Sunny even made me brave enough to go on some bouncy and spinny rides. Whether they're coming for Sunny or not, Dawn says each year they see new faces and old ones too.
We see the same families coming back year after year, just the nostalgia. They want to ride that giant wheel every year. We see them get older, and then we see new faces as well. Just the little tots come in and experiencing, you know, doing the fishing pond and riding the carousel. It's just great for all ages.
And if you want more than the amusement parks, purchase the big ticket.
And also our big ticket is great because with the big ticket you can do Speed World, our go-karts at 30th Street. You can also do Splash Mountain as well for the day, and you can also do day rides at 30th Street from 2 to 6 and a free round of miniature golf. And you don't have to do that in the same day. You can spread that out for your whole vacation.
So come to Jolly Roger and have a whale of a time. Seriously, I ain't monkeying around. This place is great. You gotta give it a whirl! Or, yeah, I got nothing.
And Dawn says, make sure to hashtag your Jolly Roger memories with the hashtag MyJollySummer.
Oh, there you go. Gotta remember to